Hello, welcome to postuploader.com. Today I will guide you how you can easily embed Twitter post in your WordPress blog for both Gutenberg and Classic Editor. Okay, start. Firstly, I will show you in Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show in Classic Editor. You can embed a Twitter post in your WordPress blog post or blog page. No problem, both system are same. Just I am showing in blog post. You can follow these things for blog your page also. So I am going to open all post section. After that, I am going to edit a sample test post. So this is the test post. I want to embed a post here. Where does it come from? Before this headline, I want to embed the post. So I'm going to my Twitter account, and here what you should do, please check carefully. Which post you want to embed. Beside that post there has a three dot icon. You see, this is the three dot. So click on that three dot, and below you will get embed post option. Just click here and new page will be redirected, and here you will get two type display option. So you have to select which one you want to select. For example, if your post is uploaded video on Twitter, then it's better you select this embedded video option. Or if you make a like a post, then it's better select this one. So I am selecting embedded post, and above this you will get a code. Just copy the code. So I am going to copy the code. So code is copied, and I am coming back my website dashboard. Here I am going to select a new block in clicking on plus icon, add block, and here I am searching custom HTML. So this is the custom HTML block. I am going to paste that code which one I copied from the Twitter. So pasted here and save draft, and I am going to view the preview. So I used post here. You see preview is showing here. I am making it smaller. Then you see this is my Twitter post, and it's already embedded on my WordPress website. This is align left. If you want to make these things align center, how you can do it? Just add a simple code here. Before starting the code, add center code. Just write here center and give a closing code center. That's all. Save draft. Give a refresh. Right now it's on center. So it's for the Gutenberg block editor how you can embed a post. Now I will show you how you can embed post for classic editor. Okay, so I am going to my all post section. Then again I am going to open this post in classic editor. I want to embed below here bottom classic editor embed Twitter post. So I am making it as an example, heading 2 bold, and I will embed post below this headline. And I want to embed another post here to understand better. So again I am on my Twitter account, and I am clicking on the three dot embed post and clicking on embedded post, as this is my post, it's not a video. So copying this code, and here previously for Gutenberg I used a custom HTML block, but in classic editor there has no such kind of block. So what should I do? I have to click on the top right corner text option. This text option I have to click. So clicking on text, and where I want to display my embedded Twitter post, I have to paste my code there. So I am pasting it here as I want to embed this post the bottom. So I am pasting this code at the bottom. Perfect. So save draft, and I am going to preview the post. This was Gutenberg blog editor, and this is coming from the classic editor. So again this post is aligned left. If I want to make it align center, how I can make it? Just before that code I have to add center, and after that code I have to give center closing tag. Save draft, again give a refresh. You see this post also already in centered. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.